Welcome to Kamaishi. I'm Rina, a meteorologist of Team SABOTEN, a weather service company. I'm here to tell you a bit about Kamaishi, which will soon host a few rugby matches. Kamaishi is the birthplace of the Japanese steel industry. The city is also known as the home of rugby in Japan, due to a legendary rugby team that was owned by one of the large steel companies. Kamaishi is part of a national park with a dynamic rocky coastline. It attracts various sea creatures, so there's beautiful nature as well as gourmet seafood. The local specialties include sea urchins, abalone, crab, salmon, and Kamaishi ramen. Kamaishi ramen was created so that busy workers could eat quickly, so it has very thin noodles well coated with soup. Now onto the weather in Kamaishi. Kamaishi is a seaside town located in the northern part of Japan in Iwate Prefecture. The city is surrounded by mountains to the west and the Pacific Ocean to the east. As you can see, there are winding coastlines with countless small bays called rias. In 2011, it was struck hard by the large tsunami caused by the Great East Japan earthquake. Kamaishi Recovery Memorial Stadium, where two of the rugby matches will be held, was built as a symbol of recovery after the disaster. With the mountains and oceans so close, Iwate Prefecture has significantly different climates in the coastal areas and inland. There's a cold current in the Pacific Ocean, so in a coastal town like Kamaishi, an easterly wind can make it get cold even in the summer. When the wind blows from the west, a fan wind occurs, bringing sunny skies and high temperatures. In the winter, the low air pressure over the Pacific Ocean can bring lots of snow. Luckily, the rugby matches will be held in the fall, when we can expect pleasant weather. This is a weather probability chart for September to October. There are more rainy days in early September, but more days with sunny skies in October. In autumn in Japan, the air is clear and fresh on sunny days, so hopefully the weather will be nice and sunny during the rugby matches. So, what to wear in Kamaishi? Since it's a coastal town, temperatures don't change that much during the day. Rugby matches are scheduled for September 25th, Fiji vs. Uruguay, and October 13th, Namibia vs. Canada. During those days, it'll be warm enough that you can get by wearing a single layer like a shirt. A jacket may be necessary in the early mornings and evenings in mid-October, with the lowest temperature at 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's how to check the latest weather forecast for Kamaishi on the Japan Meteorological Agency's website. To get here, search for JMA, then switch the language to English in the top right corner. First, select Forecasts and then click on the map. Then choose Iwate from the drop-down menu for prefectures. You can see 3 days of forecasts here. For info on Kamaishi, go to the section labeled Engan Nambu, which means southern coast. I hope the weather is perfect when you visit, so you can enjoy the great rugby games and the beautiful city of Kamaishi. While you're in Kamaishi, try out the kamome no tamago, which means seagull egg. It's a dessert shaped like an egg and has a mild sweetness that goes well with green tea.